Get ready to reverend up your metabolism and shed those extra pounds with these 30 superfoods. Not only are they low in calories, but they also help you burn more calories just by digesting them. Welcome to Meducatives. This is the official YouTube channel of www.meducatives.com. We believe that awareness is everything, and our goal is to promote it. Here is a list of 25 food items along with their approximate calorie content per 100 grams. To estimate the number of calories needed to digest these foods, a general rule of thumb is that it takes about 10% of the calories in a food to digest it. Cucumber. 15 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. High in water content, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Benefits. Promotes hydration, aids in weight loss, supports healthy skin. Best combination dishes. Cucumber and tomato salad, cucumber and avocado soup, cucumber and yogurt dip. Lettuce. 15 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. Low in calories, high in water content, vitamin K, and folate. Benefits. Promotes hydration, aids in weight loss, supports healthy digestion. Best combination dishes. Lettuce wraps, Caesar salad, Greek salad. Radish. 16 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. Low in calories, high in vitamin C, folate, and potassium. Benefits. Aids in digestion, supports healthy skin, may have cancer-fighting properties. Best combination dishes. Radish and cucumber salad, radish and avocado toast, radish and hummus dip. Celery. 16 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. Low in calories, high in water content, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Benefits. Promotes hydration, aids in weight loss, supports healthy digestion. Best combination dishes. Celery and peanut butter, celery and chicken salad, celery and blue cheese dip. Zucchini. 17 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. Low in calories, high in water content, vitamin C, and potassium. Benefits. Aids in digestion, supports healthy vision, may have anti-inflammatory properties. Best combination dishes. Zucchini noodles with tomato sauce, grilled zucchini with feta cheese, zucchini and corn fritters. Tomatoes. 18 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. Low in calories, high in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports healthy skin, aids in digestion, may have cancer-fighting properties. Best combination dishes. Caprese salad, tomato and basil soup, tomato and avocado salsa. Asparagus. 20 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. Low in calories, high in fiber, vitamin K, and folate. Benefits. Aids in digestion, supports healthy blood sugar levels, may have anti-inflammatory properties. Best combination dishes. Grilled asparagus with lemon and parmesan, asparagus and prosciutto bundles, asparagus and mushroom risotto. Mushrooms. 22 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. Low in calories, high in protein, vitamin D, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports healthy immune system, aids in weight loss, may have anti-cancer properties. Best combination dishes. Mushroom risotto, stuffed mushrooms, mushroom and spinach quiche. Spinach. 23 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. Low in calories, high in fiber, vitamin C, and iron. Benefits. Supports healthy bones, aids in digestion, may have anti-inflammatory properties. Best combination dishes. Spinach and feta omelet, spinach and strawberry salad, spinach and artichoke dip. Cabbage. 25 calories. Digestion, 2 calories. Properties. Low in calories, high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports healthy digestion, aids in weight loss, may have anti-cancer properties. Best combination dishes. Coleslaw, cabbage rolls, stir-fried cabbage and noodles. Cauliflower. 25 calories. Digestion, 1 calorie. Properties. High in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Benefits. Supports heart health, may help prevent cancer, anti-inflammatory. Best combination dishes. Roasted cauliflower with garlic and lemon, cauliflower, rice, stir-fry, cauliflower and broccoli salad. Watermelon. 30 calories. Digestion, 2 calories. Properties. High in vitamin C and A, hydrating, low in sugar. Benefits. Supports healthy skin, helps regulate blood pressure, may reduce muscle soreness. Best combination dishes: watermelon feta salad, watermelon and mint smoothie, watermelon and cucumber gazpacho. Green beans, 31 calories, digestion, 2 calories. Properties: high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Benefits: supports bone health, helps regulate blood sugar, anti-inflammatory. Best combination dishes: green bean casserole, roasted green beans with parmesan, green bean and cherry tomato salad. Bell pepper, 31 calories, digestion, 2 calories. Properties: high in vitamin C and A, low in calories. Benefits: supports healthy vision, may reduce risk of chronic diseases, anti-inflammatory. Best combination dishes: stuffed bell peppers, roasted bell pepper soup, bell pepper and goat cheese frittata. Strawberries, 32 calories, digestion, 2 calories. Properties: high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Benefits: supports heart health, may improve brain function, anti-inflammatory. Best combination dishes: strawberry and spinach salad, strawberry and banana smoothie, chocolate-covered strawberries. Broccoli, 34 calories, digestion, 2 calories. Properties: high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Benefits: supports bone health, may reduce risk of cancer, anti-inflammatory. Best combination dishes: roasted broccoli and sweet potatoes, broccoli and cheddar soup, broccoli and mushroom stir-fry. Cantaloupe, 34 calories, digestion, 2 calories. Properties: high in vitamin C and A, hydrating, low in sugar. Benefits: supports healthy skin, may reduce inflammation, anti-inflammatory. Best combination dishes: cantaloupe and prosciutto skewers, cantaloupe and lime sorbet, cantaloupe and cucumber salad. Peaches, 39 calories, digestion, 3 calories. Properties: high in vitamin C and A, low in calories. Benefits: supports healthy digestion, may reduce risk of chronic diseases, anti-inflammatory. Best combination dishes: peach and goat cheese salad, grilled peach and balsamic chicken, peach and berry smoothie. Carrots, 41 calories, digestion, 3 calories. Properties: high in beta-carotene, fiber, and vitamin K1. Benefits: promotes eye health, reduces risk of certain cancers, promotes healthy digestion. Best combination dishes: roasted carrots with herbs, carrot and ginger soup, carrot and raisin salad. Grapefruit, 42 calories, digestion, 3 calories. Properties: high in vitamin C and fiber. Benefits: promotes healthy immune system, helps with weight loss, reduces risk of kidney stones. Best combination dishes: grapefruit and avocado salad, grapefruit and shrimp skewers, grapefruit and honey breakfast bowl. Papaya, 43 calories, digestion, 3 calories. Properties: high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. Benefits: promotes healthy digestion, reduces inflammation, promotes healthy skin. Best combination dishes: papaya and avocado salsa, papaya smoothie, papaya and shrimp salad. Oranges, 47 calories, digestion, 4 calories. Properties: high in vitamin C and fiber. Benefits: promotes healthy immune system, reduces risk of certain cancers, promotes healthy skin. Best combination dishes: orange and fennel salad, orange and chicken skewers, orange and ginger smoothie. Apricots, 48 calories, digestion, 4 calories. Properties: high in vitamin A, fiber, and potassium. Benefits: promotes healthy digestion, supports healthy vision, promotes healthy skin. Best combination dishes: apricot and almond tart, grilled apricot and chicken salad, apricot and honey yogurt bowl. Apples, 52 calories, digestion, 4 calories. Properties: high in fiber and antioxidants. Benefits: promotes healthy digestion, reduces risk of certain cancers, supports healthy heart. Best combination dishes: apple and walnut salad, apple and brie sandwich, apple and cinnamon oatmeal. It's important to note that these are estimates and the actual number of calories burned during digestion can vary based on individual differences in metabolism and other factors. Additionally, the calorie counts listed are based on raw, unprocessed versions of these foods, and cooking or processing may alter the calorie count and digestion factors. The calorie counts and digestion factors I provided are based on information from the USDA National Nutrient Database for standard reference. which is a widely recognized and trusted source of nutritional information. However, it's worth noting that these values are still estimates and may vary depending on factors such as the specific variety of the food, how it is prepared or cooked, and individual differences in metabolism.